Good morning, children. It's nice to see you all happy. Let's begin a day with a prayer. Dear God, thank you for the beautiful day. We thank you for keeping all of us safe. We ask you to keep our mind alert and memory sharp, whatever we learn. Amen. Children, you have already learned the lesson about insects. Today we will revise it. Children, tell me which insect is this? It is a butterfly. Very good, children. This wasp. Very good. This is a grasshopper, a beetle. This ant, honeybee. This is a housefly, dragonfly, mosquito. This is a cockroach, ladybird, a bug. We will learn spellings of insects. Butterfly, butterfly. Beetle, beetle. Wasp, wasp. Ant, ant. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Honeybee, honeybee. Housefly, housefly. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Mosquito. Ladybird, ladybird. Cockroach. Bug, bug. Once again we read the spellings. Butterfly, butterfly. Beetle, beetle. Wasp, wasp. Ant, ant. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Honeybee, honeybee. Housefly, housefly. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Mosquito. Ladybird, ladybird. Cockroach, bug, bug. Children, we will also recognize the flowers and learn spellings. This is a picture of a rose. How we will read? R-O-S-E, rose. Say R-O-S-E, rose. Sunflower. 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 Lily, Lily, lily. Lily. Pansy, Pansy, pansy. Pansy, pansy. This is a dahlia. 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 Hibiscus, Hibiscus. Hibiscus, Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Lotus, Lotus. 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 Jasmine. 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 Marigold. 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 Children, take out your EVS notebook. Write today's date 5-3-21. Put a heading revision. Question 1. Put tick for right or cross for wrong. Number 1. Honeybees give us honey. Is it right or wrong? Right. Very good. Put a tick. Next, a bus runs in the air. Right or wrong? It is wrong. A bus runs on road. Number 3. A sunflower is yellow in color. Right or wrong? Right. Put a tick. We must never waste water. Put a tick. Number 5. In winter season, we feel hot. Right or wrong? Wrong. We feel cold. Next, we get wood from trees. Correct. We see the moon in a day. Wrong. Put a cross. Question 2. Write the names of flowers. Which flower is this? Lotus. Very good. Now we will write here lotus. What is the spelling of lotus? L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Very good. Which flower is this? It is a sunflower. Very good. sunflower. Sunflower. This is your favorite flower. Which flower is this? Rose. I'll write rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. This is lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. This is marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. Question 3. Match the names with correct pictures. This is a picture of a butterfly, ant, ladybird. And this is honeybee. Now we will see the spellings. What is written here? This is ladybird, honeybee, butterfly, ant. Now we will match it. Butterfly, ant, ladybird, honeybee. Children, revision always beautify our memory. Bye bye. Have a nice day.